friends, and welcome back to Spooky Saturday. For this week, you're going to be getting a kit to make this Halloween wreath. Let's show you how to make it. Alright my friends, so to save us some time, I have already gone ahead and started my wreath. I just wanted to show you a few things. This is the template that you'll receive, and you just have to cut out the circle and then cut out the middle, and then you're going to start to put your tissue paper all around it. So I have scraps of paper here, and it is the most simple thing ever. You don't even need scissors, because in order to give them the crinkly effect, you just rip them with your hand. So I just wanted to show you how I did one of them. So to put them on, because you are going to rip and crinkle, you don't want to put the glue on the tissue paper because it's just going to get messy. So you put it in the spot that you want it to be, which I did right here. And you're going to take some scrap, rip, and then just crumple it up. And then you're going to take your crumpled piece and you're just going to fit it over that glue. So what I try to do is to cover all of the glue that I see, just so that I don't end up with the glue all over my fingers and then inadvertently rip another piece of tissue paper. And if you have little spots like this that are still uncovered, I just kind of move the tissue paper a little to get them covered. I get some of that orange over there. But either way, if you don't cover all the spots, that is totally fine as well, because we picked a green for the wreath template that is the same as the green that you're going to get in your kit. So either way, it's going to look fine. In addition to all of that, once you finished all of your tissue paper for your wreath, I've given you a ton of Halloween related images. These are the ones that I picked out to cut, and then you're just going to glue these right on. So I'm going to put my witch hat right over here. So I put glue down on this, can you see that? On that yellow piece, and just glue it right on, because they're just going to hang on top of your wreath. And if you notice that you could probably get more down, you can just put a little bit of glue. What you don't want is for the glue to spill too much out from underneath it and make it messy. You can also put some of them behind. So what I'm going to do for my witch boots here is I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the top where that black is, and I'm actually going to attach it to the back of my wreath, so that we have some Wicked Witch action going on there. And then let's see, what else do I want to put on? I'm going to put on this bat. And again, for these, if you have enough of a surface area to put the glue without it getting too messy, you can put it right on here and then pick where you want to do it. I just know that certain people, like my niece, don't like to get their hands dirty or sticky with glue. So I just want to make it as pleasant for everybody as I can. And then I'm going to add some of these ghosts, because these are the cutest ghosts I've ever seen in my whole life. Not that I've seen a real ghost. Oh, and I glued it to the table. Let's just get that up. We'll clean that after our video. I'm gonna stick my guy right there. And they're gonna pop up a bit, but that's okay, because we're putting enough glue to attach them, and it'll give it a nice 3D effect. What else? Let's do, Should I do my haunted house there? Yeah, I think I'd make the haunted house, just because I don't think I want that web on there. And here's my last one. Oop. Let's get the haunted house on there. And you'll need to give it some time to dry, obviously. Some of these smaller pieces may curl with the glue, but there you have it. Here is our Halloween wreath. You see all that there? There you go. So I've made mine witch themed. But if you wanted to do something different, if you have some favorite scary movies or some books or anything you'd like, you can print those images and just attach them on top. So there you have it, friends. Hope you had fun. Happy Halloween.